Hey, Chad here, and welcome back to another Rally with Rolly video. In this video, I'm going to discuss the simple remedy I found to fix the hard start issue I had with this bike, especially when I had the clutch in and it was in gear. So here's what I was experiencing. In gear, clutch in, ready to start it up and pop up over an obstacle or take off with my buddies or whatever. And I get a lot of that. Did not want to fire up. After checking the valves, mechanical stuff, good fuel, it dawned on me, why don't I try to turn up the idle? Because it kind of sounds like it has a low idle. I have no way to verify it. I don't have a RPM gauge or nothing like that. So I turned up the idle and presto magic, she fired right up. To adjust the idle on this 2020 WR250F, on the front of the engine is the throttle body here on the left side. It's this silver knob here. This white knob is the cold start knob. If you want to know more about that, click the icon up here and I'll show you what the cold start knob does. Anyways, to adjust the idle, this thing is ribbed and all you gotta do is turn it. Righty-tighty will turn your RPMs up, lefty-loosey will turn them down. I have no way to gauge what the RPMs are, so I just did it by ear. All right, now I've got my idle turned up. Let's see, in gear. Fires right up, now I can keep up with my pals. So that's the simple remedy I found to fix the starting problems with this 2020 WR250F. You know, I don't know if it works on other bikes, but if you have a different bike and found this simple trick work, let me know in the comments. And as always, go adventure and go rally. There he goes.